Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to be making the simplest, easiest and flavorful chocolate muffin. Let's go ahead with the ingredients so we can start. Keep on watching. So yes guys, first, get your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Get that ready. And line your muffin pan with a cupcake liner. So in this recipe, we need flour, cocoa powder, sugar, buttermilk, eggs, dark molasses, vanilla, instant coffee, and in here I have baking powder, baking soda, salt. We also need 5 tablespoons of melted butter and 40 grams of unsweetened dark chocolate. So in a bowl, mix all the dry ingredients. Now, grab your whisk and we're going to whisk all the ingredients. And that's it for our dry ingredients. Now, into our buttermilk, add the eggs and vanilla. And give that a quick mix. Into our dry ingredients, pour in the buttermilk mixture. And mix to combine. Then, add the molasses. The same plate where I placed the molasses, I am going to dissolve the coffee with 1 teaspoon of hot water. Just mix it to dissolve. Then add it to our cake butter. In here, I also pouring in the melted butter and the chocolate. Just whisk the butter cake until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Now, in our prepared muffin pan, we're going to scoop some of the butter mixture into each muffin cups using an ice cream scooper so that we can scoop the butter evenly. Pop the tray into our preheated oven for 12 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. So here's my super simple, easy, and super flavorful chocolate muffin recipe. Bake for 12 minutes. Let it cool before enjoying them. Guys, if you find my video interesting, don't hesitate to share it, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and click the notification bell so that you're gonna be notified on my next video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Life is beautiful, guys. Keep smiling. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!